Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a mug rug. You'll be needing 2 pieces of fabric and batten, all measuring the same size, 7 inches. And you also need a heart-shaped template, 5 inches. To start with, I'll be placing my batten in between the two fabrics. So the darker fabric is the backing for my mug rug, while the patterned one is the upper part of the mug rug. Next, I'll draw diagonal lines on the darker fabric using a fabric pen. After drawing the lines, I'll pin the fabrics together, then sew on all the lines. After sewing your fabric pieces together, you'll get this. So this is the backing and this is the top part of the mug rug. Next, I'll be taking my heart-shaped template and placing it on the fabric. Then I'll pin it together. So after pinning, I'll cut the shape out using my pinking shears. I'll take off my pins. I'll take off my pins. And you get this, and this the back. Next, to finish off, I'll just sew around the edges of the heart. So when you're done sewing around the edges of the heart, you're done making your heart-shaped mug rug. This is the back. This is the front, the top of the mug rug. For the round-shaped mug rug, I quilted the fabrics like before. After quilting my fabrics, I placed my 4-inch circle template on it and cut it out. To make the binding, I cut a 14 by 2-inch strip. I attach one long end to the raw edge of the mug rug. Next, I trimmed the seam allowance to 1/4 inch. I folded the binding to the other side, enclosing the raw edges. Then, using a hand sewing needle, I sewed down the binding. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again next time. Bye.